3、2、1。
Hello guys, this is Sophia. Today I will going to show you around our factory and introducing some kind of a very interesting hot sale items for you guys. I guess and I believe just in front of the video, most of our foreign friends have interesting to start up their new business in the coming days, right? So welcome our new friends watching our channel. So right now, let's have a look. I will show, first of all, I will show you around our exhibition hall and give you a general idea what we are mainly manufactured on. But now, 有開始問咩啊？ 哦，OK，Hello guys，Thank you。不跟我走吗？你们不跟我走吗？是我自己走吗？
不要说中文了，快点快点。
Hey, all those as you could see right there on my left hand side, right there are our very hot stuff and the inquiry of the friends, the most of it. Because such kind of belongs to the small vertical packing machine, including the granule packing machine, powder packing machine, and the liquid packing machine. Such kind of the small vertical. Why we call it small vertical is that the outlook of the machine, it is the standing, a vertical standing on it, and compare with the big machine, it belongs to the small vertical one. Small one. So it is packaging range comparatively smaller, within 100 milliliters, and also it depends on the back size and some products required. So welcome our new friends joining our channels and watching us. If you guys enjoy our live stream, feel free to give me a like, and if you are interested or inquiry for a new machine to start your new business, feel free to contact us. Just leave your comment, leave your WhatsApp to us so we could arrange our salesperson, then contact with you and provide a suitable individual packing solution for you guys. So to start with, I believe most of our friends just in front of the phone right now. I believe you guys already the night in your side, right? So during such a night, you still watching on me, on my channel, and still interested in our machine. So how about we started to introducing a very interesting and a very nice special one, packing machine. This is apart from this is also a very hot sell items in China and as well as in most of the countries that enjoy drinking tea. I believe most of our foreign friends in Europe and Australia, and right now already become very popular in most of the Eastern countries like China, Korea, and Japan, and Malaysia, and Thailand. They are already become crazy about the demand of the coffee, apart from coffee. So there has no any denying that coffee is one of the very popular and hot selling drink ever beverage drinking products in the world, right? So in recently, especially these 2 to 3 years, tea become a very popular a new trending of the healthy drinking products. So this so so for helping most of our customer require and to satisfy the demand of the market. So we produced several set of the packing machine that's suitable for packaging tea products. So this is one of our hot sell items, the pyramid. The pyramid, we also call it triangle tea bag packing machine. So I would first of all I will show you a back sample so you guys may know it much more clearly how is the bags of products how this machine made, right? This one. Could you see it? 看得到吗? Okay, could you see it? This is a pyramid shape, or we also call it triangle or pyramid shape. And then here we'll attach with the cotton flat and a T-tag. A T-tag there will have some logo or design printed on it, and this is the pyramid shape on it, right? Okay, and these bags just made by this machine. So I would introduce this machine into several parts. Okay, let's have a look of this construction of the machine. Okay, could you see this one? This part comparatively higher, taller than me, and could you see this flame to hold the top one? The top one, this part, it was vibration waving scales, vibration waving scales, and then down here, here is the pyramid making machine. The pyramid making machine, because of this very special shape. So the sealing mode of this part of the sealing machine is customized. It is customized, and because of such kind of the packaging film rolls, the packaging film rolls material is very special, like a nylon film and non-woven, and also some kind of PLA non-woven packaging materials. So it required to use a such kind of the machine. It used, we call it the ultrasonic sealing, and we also call it kind of like the cool sealing. Ultrasonic sealing means that it uses the power of the strands, then give the strands to the mold, and then tightly sealing the bags. So we will reduce the heating to influence the tea leaves. And then down here, when the pyramid tea bag has been made and output from here, could you see this one? In front of it, there will have a small bucket conveyor. When the bags be made and it will be dropped into the such small bucket, the tea bags will be conveying, and then dropped into our outer bag former. This is the pyramid. It will be dropped into here. So here is the outer bag makings. Outer bag makings. So it means that when the tea bags get into this bag former, it will be sealing just like the standard one. The inner and outer tea bags, there will have an outer packaging bags to cover our pyramid, so as to better to protect it, our pyramid tea products. Okay, so I would show you around how is the vibration plate looks like. Such kind of one view, and then on the back side there was a 3-4. There has a full vibration weighting scales. Each scales could weighting different materials at the one time. So it is very suitable for some kind of the customers that they require to packaging some kind like flower tea and maybe the herbal tea, because they wanted to mix up different flowers, different tea, so as to increase the herbal and increase their functions and their flavors of the product. So at that will be very suitable for such kind of the customers that they require to mix up different tea, right? So and here is the bag making part. The first one is that why we will need this one. The first thing is that of course customer wanted to make the shape to be a triangle, and also actually just by this bag making machine you could change you could make two bag type actually, two bag type. This is the pyramid one, and another one you just change the touch screen, then it could make the flat bags. Flat bags, it looks like the square type, and it also suitable for the ultrasonic sealing materials like the nylon material, PLA, and the non-woven packaging material. So this is the ultrasonic sealing part. It will automatically to do the shape and sealing it very automatically and very nice. And then output and then the conveying and then go to the outer backpack package. this is how the main machine constructs and how the pyramid tea bag packing machine making such kind of special items. So apart from this one, this is a very special one. We call it pyramid. So okay, next I will show you around a comparatively traditional in and out tea bag, the square tea bag type, just around here. Let's see. Okay, how about this one? These 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These three sets, they look a little bit different, right? But the main construction of it are the same, So if any our customers watching our live stream and you enjoying our channel interesting in our hot sale items, feel free to leave your comment and follow us. Anytime you subscribe with us, there you have a reminder that we are going to do a live stream and introducing very interesting items for you guys. So let's first of all, which one would be more suitable? Actually, these three sets are the very similar ones. So how about this one? Đây là hai mét thành công một đầu có. Okay. 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 I will introduce this one. Okay. I will show you a sample. This is the finished bag, the outer bag sample. Okay. And inside, how is the inner bag? When the inner bag is sealing, it will look like this three-side seal square type. And then this inner bag will be put into the outer bag. And then you will get an inner and outer tea bag packing machine like this. Okay, I will introduce this machine into several parts. When we asking and wanted to do these new products, what should we need to know and what should we need to be provided to our salesperson, right? The first thing is showing us what kind of tea and how small and how big as your tea granules. So we have to make sure how many grams and how is your tea granules looks like. So it could help us to customize this measuring cup. This is the hopper and here is the measuring device. Inside it, there will have a four small cup of this measuring device, so as to customize the volume of it and then within different weights of tea. Normally, such kind of a small section of the tea products, we recommend to pack 1 gram, 1.5 gram, and 2 gram tea leaves into such a small sections. They will be much more suitable, and we do the investigation on the market. This is much more suitable to get a cup of the tea. So let's continue to introducing the main construction of our packing machine, right? Here's the hopper. You just put the tea inside it, and then it will automatically fall down into this measuring cup. Okay, so when the tea is weighing 1 gram or 2 gram, the tea will be automatically get into this inner bag former. So here is the filter paper, the inner bag's packaging material, the filter paper. Such kind of the filter paper is very popular because it is good for tea leaf to spray and to dip into some hot water, and then we got a very good and clear cup of tea. And then here, this part, you see this one? Here there will have a cotton thread roll, and a tea tag here. This one, when the machine is working, the cotton thread and the tea tag will be automatically sealing into these inner bags. The cotton thread will automatically be sealing here, and a tag will be contact with it. And then here, when the inner bag is being made, okay, here we will have manipulators. It will clipping the inner bags into the outer back former. Outer back former. So, so here, this is the outer back packaging film materials. We will need you to install into this outer back former, so it will automatically to seal it and output just like this shape. And then there will have a small conveyor to help you to collecting the finished products, right? Okay, so most of our new friends coming to our live stream, and maybe you are a greenhead in starting such kind of business. You may have a lot of questions and what kind of tea that can I pack? How many grams should I do? How can I get such kind of the tag, cotton thread, and the packaging materials, and so on? A lot. Um, so I could tell you is that we are a one-stop packaging machine manufacturer. So apart from providing a professional packing solution for you guys, we also could provide some packaging materials and some optional device for you guys. For instance, like the grinding machine to help our customers to grind the tea leaf to become more smaller, and also we could provide the drying machine to help our customers to dry some kind of their products and so on. All those things make us become much more professional and help us to provide more service for our customers so as to save their time and their cost during looking for a reliable or comparison the price or the quality. We are a manufacturer one, and all those machines and the price we provide for you, trust on us, we are the factory direct one. Okay, so apart from this, at the very beginning, we have been mentioned that tea products, tea packing machine is already a very healthy and also a new trend in worldwide. So that's why we introducing some tea packing machine for you guys. And I believe actually compared to most of the friends in front of our channel, they are much more enjoying to have a fresh cup of coffee to refresh and to start their brand new day, right? So right now, I am going to introduce some kind of the new packaging machine items for you guys. So such kind of machine is suitable for packaging some very hot sell coffee products for you guys. For instance, the Nespresso coffee capsule and the coffee drip bag packing machine and the instant coffee powder packing machine, and also as well as the ground coffee beans packing machine for you guys. The items is a lot, so we will start one by one and then show you more details about it. So just next on my right hand side, just on my right hand side, there has the drip coffee bag packing machine. I believe some kind of friends or the coffee lover already try such kind of the drip bag coffees, right? This is the drip bag, okay, be shaping by such kind of the packaging film rolls, and then be sealing and shaping by our ultrasonic sealing machine, and then we will get a finished product like this. So when okay, and then there will have a outer bag packaging film rolls. So when our inner drip bag finish, it will be automatically put inside it and then sealing. So we get a very complete and finished product. We call it the inner and outer drip bag packing machine, drip bag coffee. So this is how the finished product will be. Okay. So first of all, how your customers, how your future consumers will use and deal with these kind of the drip bags. Okay, when you get this product, you just tearing the outer bags, right? And then you get this one and just easily to tearing this one, tearing here, tearing it, and then just open the drip bag and then put it into your cup of hot water. A cup, just put it into your cup. There will have some coffee powder inside. You just put some hot water inside it, and then this bag will have a dripping the coffee into your cup. And then so you will get a very convenient and a fresh cup of the coffee to refresh your new day. So this is how the machine works. Okay. To start with, I will show you around the overview of the drip bag packing machine. Okay. Actually, for each type of the packaging machine, the outlook looks very different, right? But actually, in our eye, the main construction of the packing machine, they have to include such kind. The first one, it was the measuring part, and the second one, it was the sealing part. And the third one, it was the output part. When the product is finished, okay, the output from where, how they will do in finish, right? And then it was the control panel. Okay. So here is the measuring device suitable for some powder products. So there will have a one question that some kind of customer may need to pack the coffee powder, but some kind of the customers, they want their coffee not surge fine. It looks like more granulated coffee. So we also could change the measuring part to be a measuring cup part. And then there will have a measuring organ inside this device to within 10 grams, 8 grams, 5 grams. It could be adjusted and it could be customized. So when the powder be wafting and filling into our inner bag former, okay, we will need you to install the inner drip bag packaging filters in other ways to install it into this inner bag former. So we are this bag former and we are this ultrasonic sealing pad. It could help us to sealing and shaping the inner bags, just like this one. So here, this part a little bit similar, just like the pyramid tea bag packing machine. This part also use the ultrasonic sealing mode. Why we recommend this mode to sealing our products is because that before we have already mentioned is that ultrasonic sealing. We also call it the cool sealing. Why it says like this? It is because it is not using the heat sealing. It is to use the strength of the ultrasonic power so as to give us strength to sealing tightly of our drip bags. So that's why there will have less heat or there has no heating on the sealing part. So it could better help us to make sure the ground coffee inside to keep their very original flavor and make sure the coffee is well protected until the finished product output. So when the inner drip bag is sealing by here, there also will have a pneumatic manipulator. There will have a clipper to clip this bag and then put it into the outer bag form. Just down here, there will have the outer bag form. Okay, and then when the bags be put into the outer bag form, then we will come to the down part. Down part is combined with the outer bag former, shaping part, and the outer bag packaging film rolls and the date printer. 你们要不要过来看啊？能不能看到啊？真的是我服了。OK， 你看到吗？一怼着我，你怎么看 ？OK。Here is the dump. How is the dump part looks like? This is the outer bag packing part. Okay. Here's the outer bag packing bag former, and this is the sealing part, vertical sealing and horizontal sealing. Okay. And then here, this is outer bag packaging film rolls. Okay. Finally, this part will shape the bags like the squares, three-side seal bag. And then there we'll have a date printer to help us to print some expiry date or some batch number on it. Okay, and here's the eye mark, the eye sensor, to sense the black mark or the white mark on just on the packaging films like this. Just like this. This is the mark on the packaging film, so as to it could much more good to correctly follow the finished product filling and cutting. So this and then when a product be finished, it will be output from this small conveyor belt. Easy for you to collecting the finished product. On the here, this is the touch screen and the control systems, the control panels. As here, there we have a 7-inch touch screen, easy for you to operate the sealing, packing speed, feeding weight, and some parameters on it. And here you will see the label for each the outer bag sealing pressure, the inner bag sealing pressure, and outer bag sealing pressure, and also the temperature to control it. And there has a switch button, so it's just very easy for you guys. Just switch on the power, start the machine, and watch the monitor start it. So the machine will automatically to doing search a list of the functions, so as to make sure to hot sell products for you guys. Okay, and this one it uses the ultrasonic. We have to mention that this machine we match with the Mitsubishi, Japanese, Panasonic, PLC system, so as to make sure each part of the machine is working much more stable, and sealing effect is nice and good quality. So this is the main overview of our drip bag packing machine. How it looks like. 有拍到吗？ how it looks like. Measuring part, inner bag sealing part, and outer bag sealing part, and the control panel, and a very special customized ultrasonic sealing part. Okay, apart from this drip bag coffee, one of these drip bag coffee packing machine. Okay, just let's see.
你係講到一台機度差唔多啦，再講多一台。
Okay. The next one we will introduce was the coffee capture. I believe nearly at least 90% of our phone friends are really enjoy and very interesting in such kind of the products. The Nespresso coffee capsule. The Nespresso coffee capsule making machine. Okay. It's such kind of the machine suitable for packaging some kind like Nespresso capsule, Roscasto, K-Cap, and Lavazza. Okay.